In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install the right IbisPaint X app on your Android smartphone. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. So IbisPaint X is one of the best apps that you can use for painting. To get it, go ahead and look for Play Store on your Android smartphone. Then using this search bar here, go ahead and search for the app, or if you can't see the search bar, look for the search icon here. Just go ahead and click on it or tap on it, and then just search for the app by its name, IbisPaint, and then let's search, and here we go. This is the app. Now, to know that it is the right app, make sure it comes from Ibis Incorporation, and at the time of recording this app has a star rating of 4.5 with over 2 million reviews, and currently the file size has over 100 million downloads with a file size of around 44 MBs. And you can see this is the current logo of this IbisPaint X app. To get it, go ahead and tap on install, and this will go ahead and download the latest version of this painting app and then install it on your smartphone. Once your app has been installed, you can go ahead and open it right from here, or just go back to your phone. And now if you go to your apps, you should be able to see your apps here. Go ahead and launch it. Here is the opening interface for this app. From here, you can now begin your painting journey. So that's how you can download the right IbisPaint X app on your Android smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.